Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to resize an image on Microsoft Designer. So guys, create a new image, click this option or click edit image. After that, if you want to resize image, guys, what you have to do, just wait, go to this option, modify, and click modify canvas, and from here guys, click this option, resize. And after that guys, this is the resized option. You have width and height, and click if you want to choose, for example, 500. This one on pixel, just click apply, resize this option, and click replace, guys, this option. This is the new resize, guys, new image, resize it. So guys, this is how you can do. I have this video helpful for you, and don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. Any question down below in the comment, guys.